Hello, Baguio City for the go. Hi mga auntie, staycation for Baguio bang hanap nyo? Because why not? Karon mga person, uban ko niyo sa kong paglatagaw dito sa Baguio City. Yuhu, finally! By the way mga auntie, I'm with these two ladies. Wala ni sa plano pero nasa for the go. Ay, basta kayo ni mata na lang mga ganahan ni mga laagay. Igang kayo, so Baguio is the key, char. Ano ba? But before all this happens mga auntie ko, syempre, nisakay mig minibus kay kung tawago nila para pa Baguio din. Well, gahulat ni mo larga, syempre, lalo man ta for today's video kay talag saragod na sa demo, pak o pak, oras, feeling guwapa. So, samtang galarga na bitaw no after how many years, months, days, oras, minuto, grabe, nakita na gid ka na ako, bagyuha ka, ka-excited na dayon kayong babae, anam na nakog kakita ng mga sanga-sanga, bitaw nga, pina-aesthetic ba nga sa TV ra makita, huy, grabe na gid ni, mara may na-videohan ako kay medyo lipong, magandang person, pero anyways, Baguio City, here I come! So, first tour spot nga mong na plan is the Burnham Park. Since 2 p.m. pa man namong check-in niya, 12:30 minabot dito. Mi una ni adto mga auntie, galatagaw mi, ga video-video, pina-aesthetic, baklay-baklay, and then, based on my research, huy, this Burnham Park is considered to be one of the most famous parks in the country, located in Siabad, Santos Drive, Baguio City, 2,600 Benguet, Philippines. The park is named after Daniel Hudson Burnham, an American architect and urban planner. He was also one of who laid the plans and design for Baguio City. Wow, amazing! The park is favorite place for both locals and tourists. This place is often full packed with people regardless if it is rainy or not. So best time daw mo anhi kay December to May kay dili kayo ting ulan, hinay-hinay ra yung ulan ba, so best time siya para maglaglaag nya kay ni anhime first week of May month, so for the go, for the perfect. The most famous activity in the park is biking. There are lots of bicycles for rent at a very reasonable price. It is a perfect activity for children and adults nya kami kay children man sab mi out for the go.